How to pivot into a new film role, a step-by-step guide. Hey everybody, it's your guide here. You know, when I first stepped onto a film set, I was a nervous wreck. I had no idea what I was doing. I felt like I was in over my head, surrounded by seasoned professionals who seemed to know exactly what they were doing. All I knew was that I wanted to be a part of that world. The world of storytelling, of captivating audiences, of making magic with light and sound. The allure of creating something that could move people was irresistible. Over time, I realized that my path in this industry wasn't linear. It was filled with unexpected challenges and opportunities that I never saw coming. It twisted and turned, took me down unexpected roads, and introduced me to incredible people and opportunities along the way. Each twist and turn taught me something new and valuable. If there's one piece of advice I can give anyone starting out or looking to make a change in the film industry, it's this. Be open to the pivot. Embrace the unexpected and be willing to adapt. Your journey might not look the way you planned, and that's okay. In fact, it's more than okay. It's often where the most exciting and rewarding experiences come from.